Hey guys, Father and Son Adventures of Iowa. I'm Tim.
And I'm Tyler.
We're out here at Rock Creek, which is 4 or 5 miles from our house. And it's a slough off of the Mississippi River. We're going to try our luck at fishing here. We've been here probably 15 minutes, 20 minutes, and we just got our lines in the water. So if anything happens, we'll bring you back. All right. Does it feel like a catfish?
Oh.
Or a snag? Put on a little more tension on your line. Tyler, tighten the tension. Right, this thing in the front, tighten that up. Well, why don't you walk that way and see if you can get it untangled. Well, you know,
It's the first catch of the day.
first catch. Not big enough to keep, but anyway, good job.
Oh, no, I didn't. Yeah, I did.
Now you got snagged.
Nope. What? I felt him move. Like, I felt the fish move for a second, and then I was really, honestly doubting myself.
Little itty bitty. Well, he's getting bigger. Go bring your big brothers.
Yeah, seriously, I've been starting from the bottom.
Good job, Tyler.
Oh yeah, like it's a keeper.
Well, it's not a keeper, but that minnow must have been looking at your worm, and then the bass came up thinking it was going to get the minnow and also took the worm. All right. Is the minnow alive? No, the minnow's dead.
Oh gosh, I got everything but the, and it swallowed another worm.
No.
Yeah, it's dead.
Yeah, well, not a whole lot you can do about that now. That's its insides.
At least let it die with dignity and make it look kind of alive.
Okay, well. It still swam. Oh, there it is.
Wow.
Yeah, well, he's not going to grow a gill back, so.
He's not gonna grow a stomach back either.